All right. Good morning. Happy morning. Ooh, that just sprayed my foot. It is water time for my plants. Got my little wand here. Ooh. Okay, my plants are all kind of just kind of coming back from the winter death. I just pulled some of these weeds out, dead weeds, and I gotta pull some more out. So what I'm just trying to do is kind of get the soil to recondition because it was a really rough winter, and it's been some really rough storms. So we got blueberries over here. That's the blueberry plant. This is actually grapes here. I haven't had any fruit come out of these, but they've been staying alive. They stayed alive through the winter. They just, some parts died. This was my avocado tree, baby avocado tree, and it's a little beat right now, as you can see. So, and these are my new seedlings. There's so many varieties of vegetables in here that I started inside. So I just put them out yesterday. So this is really experimental, you guys. Now this is what I really wanted to show you because as you can see, there's a bunch of strawberries in here. Let me put this down. There's a bunch of strawberries that are blooming in here. You see this? All these little strawberries coming down. So you see you have some dead leaves in there, but it's definitely some strawberries up in here. Yeah, I'm proud of that. This is nothing. I don't know what's in here. It's really dead. I gotta pull it out. You see stuff going around in there. This was my okra plant. I had some okra and stuff in here. This was cucumbers. Oh no, was that cucumber? No, this is cucumbers. What was in here? I forgot what was in here, but my thing is turning. And this was some green peppers, some peppers. Oh no, this was the big peppers, and this was the small peppers, and that was tomatoes. You see how it goes all the way up? It's climbing up the gate. So it's just a little reintroduction, and I have some indoor plants too that I haven't brought out yet. I'm gonna repot them because they're in a really small starter pot. So I'm not ready to let them get out here yet. These starter pots are a lot bigger than my other ones, so that's why I allowed them out. Plus, these are all started. Everything out here started with Miracle-Gro, and everything inside my house is organic soil. So I'm kind of keeping them separate because what I'm doing is eventually I'm gonna go all organic. But I bought all this damn Miracle-Gro. I got about 2 big bags left, so I want to make sure that I get my money's worth, and I'm gonna use that on my experiment plants, and then the other stuff that I'm doing, I'm gonna get some more organic soil. So this is a quick glimpse of my farm girl, city girl life. I call myself a city farmer. I feel like a farm. My alter ego is a farm girl. So I feel like one day I will have a real farm. This is my city farm, my nice little tiny city yard. But that's my little chairs over there. But yep. So yep, we'll be back. I'm just really proud of them for withstanding the season, and for my strawberries coming back. I'm really in love with these. I haven't taken any yet. I want to try them, see if they're even sweet. But I'm so proud of these guys. I was like, oh my God. I came out to see what was happening, because my grass was super high. I was scared to come out here. I was like, I don't know, it could be a whole mountain cat up in here. Look at this. There's that other ones. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at these. 9. There's a bunch. Let me back up. Yeah, there's a bunch of berries in here. Look at that. A whole bunch of strawberries. They did not bloom this much last year. So what I realized with these plants, they gotta mature and stuff. So, and then I realized once I start harvesting, that's when they start really blooming. Because my peppers, I probably harvested the peppers the most. And the more that I cut them off, the more they grew. So I was like, okay, so it's like breastfeeding out this joint. If you don't use it, you lose it. So, all right, guys, I'll see you back. Bye.